Rev up your engines. Kim Hansen, and Kim says, why aren't the older live podcasts available on YouTube anymore? Very good questions. Here's what's happening is, I've changed to a new format. You're watching me live. You can watch me Saturday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time here on YouTube, and 1 o'clock in the afternoon Central Standard Time on Thursdays. This is all broadcast now. You're watching me on my Samsung S9, and as good as the camera that it has on it, when you do live podcasts, the quality is kind of poor. So while this is happening, over here, I have my 4K Panasonic camera filming it. Once the show is over, every day of the week, I'm now turning that podcast into 3-minute highlights with really nice graphics. So every day of the week, about 4:30 in the afternoon Central Standard Time, you'll see I have a new video up, and it takes questions from the live car talk with graphic and answers. So every day of the week, you can watch me for 3 minutes. So watch those videos when they come out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.